Hi everyone, this is vintage custom bezel, replacement bezel for G-Shock DW-9100, known as Riseman. This bezel was made from flexible resin and it can be easily installed to your vintage G-Shock Riseman models. Okay. This lettering can be colored using pen marker or acrylic paint or crayon or whatever material that normally used to do the lettering. Okay, this is an example of Riseman that have been installed with the replacement bezel. Okay. So if you have a Riseman model and the bezel already cracked, you can get the custom replacement bezel from such store, so that you can save your vintage DW9100 or Riseman G-Shock. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Bye.